So today we'll be starting with naive Bayes classifier. Okay, so here we'll be making use of conditional probability concept. Today's date is 14. Okay, so do you know what is conditional probability? Conditional probability. Am I audible? Am I audible? Okay. So conditional probability. Any example of conditional probability? Anyone? Now consider if I have a bag, okay, and I have few marbles there, okay. Consider I have 3 green marbles, okay, and 2 red marbles, okay, and I want to find the probability. So find probability of drawing 2 red marbles. Can you find this probability? Probability of drawing 2 red marbles?
2 by 5. 2 by 5.
2 by 5. 2 by 5. No. I have to make 2 selections, no? It will not be a 2 by 5. Any other answer? Do you know the formula of probability? Number of favorable conditions divided by all possible conditions, right? Okay, so favorable condition is single, right? You are getting 2 red marbles, divided by total combination. Okay, so you can choose this one or this one or this one or this one or this one, right? All possible combinations. Okay, so that probability of that event is there is only one favorable condition, then divided by, can I write 5 choose 2? 5C2 will give me all possible combinations. Out of 5 you choose 2. Okay, so that is the probability of this event. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So it will be 1/5 multiplied by 1 by 5 divided by 2 into 1, right? So it will come out to be 1 by 10. So this is one way of solving this problem. Another way is we'll split this event into 2 events. First we'll be drawing one marble. Okay, so we have this container. Okay, or this is another approach. So we have the container, okay, and then we'll be draw one red marble. Okay, so here we have 5 marbles, 2 red, 2 green. Okay, and we'll be getting the container with 3 greens, okay, and 1 red. Okay, now what is the probability of this? Probability of this event is drawing one red marble. Anyone? Same formula, apply the same formula. How many favorable cases are there? Okay, out of 5, 2 are favorable. Divide by all possible. Okay, so is it 2 by 5? The probability of this event is 2 by 5. In 5 attempts, 2 times you can succeed. Okay, any doubt? Then on this event, let's call this event as event A. Okay, this is my event A. This is, okay, draw one red marble. Now what will be the probability of this event? Okay, once you draw one marble, the condition of the container will become, you will have 3 green balls. Okay, there is no red marble. Okay, now drawing one red marble out of this is, the probability is what? How many are favorable? Anyone?
1.
1. Please give a response. And total is 4, right? Okay, now these events are dependent. Okay, the outcome of this event is dependent on this event, right? Because it is changing the state. Now the final probability is 2 by 5 into 1 by 4. Okay, the final probability is this and this, right? Okay, so you are getting the same probability, 1 by 10. Okay, so this is my event A, and the probability of event A is 2 by 5. And this is the event B, but this 1 by 4 is actually a probability of B when A has happened. Okay, when A has already occurred, then what is the probability of B? It is 1 by 4. Okay, so can I say probability of, I will write here, probability of A union B, okay, this is AND, right? Probability of event A and B, okay, both, is probability of A into probability of B given A. How to read this? Probability of B given A means A has already occurred, then what is the probability of B? And this is happening for dependent events. Okay, these two events were dependent, right? They are not independent. In that case, you have this. If the two events are independent, then probability of B given A will become probability of B only. Now the probability of B is not dependent on A, right? So probability of B given A will be simply P by A. Okay, when A and B are independent. Are you getting the concept? Any doubt till this point? Any response? So you are familiar with this equation, right? Okay. Now we know that this AND operation is commutative, right? So if I replace A with B and B with A, so can I write like this? And we know that probability of A intersection B is probability of B intersection A. Okay, so from 1, 2 and 3, can I write probability of A into probability of B given A equals to probability of B into probability of A given B, right? So from here I can derive any equation. So probability of B given A equals to probability of B into probability of A given B divided by probability of A, right? And this is the base equation, Bayesian equation. Okay, now we'll modify this to our machine learning problem. Okay, so base equation is given as, so probability of, so we are utilizing this Bayesian equation for classification. Okay, so we want to determine the class of given sample, right? So probability of class, let's call that Cj, okay, jth class, okay, given the given sample. Okay, so you will be provided with one instance or a test sample, okay, and we want to determine its class. So probability of class given that sample is, so just put the values, probability of B, okay, so probability of Cj into probability of, okay, X given Cj divided by probability of the denominator, right? Okay, so this is the Bayesian equation. Okay, now here where probability of Cj given X is known as posterior probability. Okay, this probability of Cj, so Cj is our class, right? So this is our class prior probability. So this is a classification task, right? So we'll be having the label data, okay, training data. So from that training data we can determine the probability of the given class. Okay, consider you have two class problem, okay, and if you have 100 sample, okay, and two classes are yes and no, so you can calculate the how many times yes is appearing in those 100 samples, right? So that will be your class prior probability, okay, and Pxcj, okay, you can actually determine this probability. Okay, so this is known as predictor prior probability. Prior means it is known beforehand. Okay, posterior means you are calculating based on these values. Then Pxi is the instance, it is called as, sorry, this is the likelihood probability, and this is the predictor prior probability. Okay, so this is the base equation. Any doubt till this point? Okay, now how to utilize this equation for prediction? Okay, and here we are making two important assumptions. Okay, so this Bayes classifier assumes, okay, yes, it assumes that all features are independent. This is very important assumption, without which we cannot use this equation. Okay, so all features are independent. Second assumption is all the features contribute equally in the classification. Okay, so there is no superiority in the features. Okay, each feature makes an equal contribution in classification. Okay, all are independent and all are making equal classification, equal contribution in classification. Okay. Now okay, so we will be seeing one example and through which you will understand how to utilize this equation for classification. Okay, so there is a problem asked for 6 marks in our previous D2 paper. So it says that classify this sample. So the one fruit is given who is yellow in color, sweet in taste and long, okay, shape wise, using base learning data as given in table. Okay, first thing you have to understand the given data. Okay, so for every problem the first step that you have to do is to understand the data. Okay, so what is given here? Okay, try to figure out that. So various fruits are given. Okay, orange, banana and other kind of fruit. Then yellow, so some numbers are given, then sweet, long. Okay, and how many total oranges are given? 650, 400 bananas and other 150 fruits. Okay, now what this number is indicating here? So I think out of this 650, 350 oranges are yellow. Okay, then out of the 650 oranges, 450 are sweet and none are long. Okay, so did you get the significance of this figure? Out of the 650, 350 oranges are yellow. Then regarding banana, okay, total are 400. Okay, so out of 400 bananas, 400 are yellow, 400 are sweet and 300 are sweet, 350 are long. Okay, remaining 50 will be short. Then in the other category, so out of this 150, this 50 are yellow, 100 are sweet and 50 are long. Okay, so this data is given. Now one sample is given, that fruit is yellow, sweet and long. Okay, now we can observe here there is no long orange, right? So there is very less chance of this fruit being orange, right? Okay, and out of this, okay, this fruit is more likely to be a banana because see, they have equal values. Okay, it can be other also. Okay, but we have inferred that most likely it will be banana. Okay, now in base classifier what we are doing, we are calculating the probability, right? Probability of the given class, probability of a class given the sample. Okay, so how many classes are given here? Can anybody tell me the classes here? What are the classes here? Do we have Yash in the meeting? Yash Chaudhary. Deepak?
Yes, sir.
So what are the classes given here? Classes कौन से हैं?
Sir, orange, banana,
And
others.
what about yellow, sweet, long, total? ये क्या है?
सर एट्रीब्यूट
यस,
कंप्लीट डोमेन वैल्यूज।
हाँ एट्रीब्यूट्स है वो, ठीक है। स्वाति, स्वाति, what we have to do here in this problem? What should be the output? Are you getting my question? Is it going to be a number or anything else? Swati, have you understood this derivation that I have done? Swati,
Yes, sir.
are you okay? So, did you get how I reached to this equation?
Yes.
Okay, I have drawn this conclusion through this example. Okay, now the base equation is this one only. Okay, but we are utilizing it for the machine learning task, so we have denoted it with this notation. So this is my jth class, okay, and given sample. What is the probability of this class for this sample? Okay, given this sample. Okay, now we have one sample here. This sample is given. This is our fruit, right? It is yellow in color, sweet in taste, and long. Okay, now we have to classify it. We have to tell its label. It is going to be either orange, banana, or other. Is this problem clear to you now?
Yes.
And few statistics is given. Okay, and we have understood. We tried to understood that statistics. 650 oranges are given. Out of that, 350 are yellow, 450 are sweet, 0 are long. Okay, so this is the meaning of this table. Okay, first you should understand the table, and from that we have drawn the conclusion also. There is very less probability of this fruit being orange. Why? Because there is no sample, long sample here, right? समझा?
Yes.
हाँ, because this given fruit is long. Okay, so it can be either banana or other. Okay, but we will prove that using base classifier. Okay, so we'll proceed now. Okay, so this is my problem number 1. This feedback is very important. Okay, I am not getting your facial expressions. Okay, so I rely on your responses. Okay, so I'll be writing the problem later. So solution. Okay, so we know that base equation is, so you have to write this theory also. Okay, this is also required. So probability of, so no need to remember the equation if you know that example. Okay, so probability of x given Cj into probability of Cj divided by probability of x, right? Here x equals to अपना given sample yellow है, sweet and long. This is my x. My Cj is my class labels. So they are orange, banana and other. This is my classes. These are my classes, right? Okay. Now we have to classify this instance in these 3 categories. Okay, whether it belongs to orange, banana or other. So our aim is to find probability of, okay, so put the value of each Cj in this equation. Probability of orange given the sample, probability of orange, probability of banana given x, and probability of other given x. Okay, Yes. So if I put the values, don't call it Cj, this is C, and each of this is the Cj. Okay, this is one. Okay, this is one C, this is one. Okay, Cj. So if I am interested in finding this probability of orange given x, so put the values. So x given orange, probability of orange and probability of x. Okay, similarly probability of banana x equals to probability of x given banana into probability of banana divided by probability of x, and probability of other given x equals to probability of x given other into probability of other and probability of x. Now which things we can calculate from the given data? Okay, so we know that how many total fruits are given. Okay, 650 oranges are given, 400 bananas, 150 other. Okay, so total is 1200. Okay, so I can find out the probability of orange. Okay, probability of orange is there, right? So out of 1200 fruits, सभी फ्रूट में से ऑरेंजेस कितने हैं? 650. So I can find out the probability of orange, I can find out the probability of banana, I can find out the probability of other. Okay, then I can find out this also based on this assumption. Okay, we'll see how. And is it necessary to calculate probability of x? Is it necessary, yes or no? No, actually. Why? Because what we are going to compare the probability of these three classes. Okay, जिसकी probability ज़्यादा रहेगी उसको हमें classify करना है. Okay, and all of this three equation has p of x in the denominator. Same entity denominator में है, so I can just ignore this, right? सभी को हमें इससे divide करना है, right? So if I just omit this, okay, I will just select that particular class which is having the higher numerator, right? Same thing से divide कर रहे हो ना? Okay, समझ में आया? Okay, so no need to calculate this value. We can calculate this value as we have seen, right? Now how to calculate this one? Okay, so probability of x given orange. Okay, now what is x? X is yellow, sweet and long. Okay, so probability of yellow, sweet and long given orange. Okay, now we have done one assumption, we have made one assumption that all features are independent. Okay, so this is independent of this. Okay, इसका कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, and that's why we can split this. Okay, it will become probability of yellow given orange into probability of into independent event है, that's why you can multiply. Okay, independent events है, you can multiply. Sorry, okay, we have not discussed that. Okay, but if the events are independent, you can multiply the events. Okay, so sweet given orange and probability of long orange. Okay, now can we calculate this? Yes. How? See, so we are trying to find the probability of yellow given orange. Okay, so इसको कैसे रीड करना है? ऑरेंजेस में से, टोटल ऑरेंजेस में से कितने येलो है? ओके, सो टोटल ऑरेंजेस आर 650, उसमें से कितने येलो है 350. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ वी कैन कैलकुलेट दिस वैल्यू. सो टोटल ऑरेंजेस में से कितने येलो है दिस वन. ओके, इनटू टोटल ऑरेंजेस में से कितने स्वीट है 450 इनटू टोटल ऑरेंजेस में से कितने लॉन्ग है 0. सो दिस इज 0. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ x गिवन ऑरेंज इज 0 and we require probability of orange also. Okay, so let us calculate that. Probability of orange is okay total fruit में से oranges कितने हैं 650. that will be your probability of orange. So that is 1200 divided by 650. that is my probability of orange. Okay, so we have found out the values of this equation number 1. Okay, so yes, that's why probability of orange given x equals to, this is 0 into 650 divided by 1200 divided by probability of x, which is 0. Okay, yes, then probability of banana. Okay, we'll first find out this value. Okay, probability of x given banana. Okay, and the x is actually yellow, sweet, what is there, long, given banana, right? Okay, and using this is according to the assumption of base classifier. Okay, otherwise we could have, if there is a dependency, then this modification we cannot do, right? Okay, so this is according to that assumption. They are independent, each attribute is independent, that's why. Okay, so probability of yellow given banana, probability of sweet given banana into probability of long given banana. Okay, so how to read this? टोटल बनाना में से कितने येलो है. ओके, सो टोटल आर 400. ओके, सो 400 इंटू, सॉरी, उसमें से 400 आर येलो. ओके, देन आउट ऑफ ऑल द बनाना हाउ मेनी आर स्वीट. सो 300 इंटू 400 में से लॉन्ग कितने 350. ओके, just postpone the calculation, some figures will cancel out. Okay, this is my this value. Then probability of banana is, okay, somebody will tell me this value. Aman, are you there? Aman Kadse. Yes, okay. What will be the value of probability of banana? You have this table. Probability of banana is Aman, at least say I don't know. Aman? Just now we have calculated the probability of orange, right? Similarly, you have to calculate the probability of banana. Can you tell me this value? Okay. Any other? Siley? साइली, सरोदे, Ishika, are you there? Ishika, Vaishnavi Thakre,
Yes, sir.
okay, thank you. Okay, so what is the probability of banana?
1 by 3.
Okay, you are telling me the direct final answer. Who is there?
400 by 12.
Deepak.
Yes, sir.
Arey, Deepak, I was asking to Sarode. Sarode, how it is 1 by 3? Rutuja Gaugave, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the probability of banana? How to calculate it?
Sir, there are three fruits like orange, banana, and other. So out of three, banana is there. So
Okay. Then by that logic, the probability of orange could have been 1 by 3 only, right? Why I have written 650 divided by 1200?
yes, sir. The total number.
हाँ, okay. तो समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Now you tell me the probability of banana without any calculation, म्हणजे cross outs. हाँ.
Sir, 400 divided by 1200.
हाँ, thank you so much. 400 by 1200, right? Okay, 1200 total fruits है, उसमें से 400 बनाना है, that becomes its probability. Okay, okay. So then we have to do same process for other category, right? Okay, so for other category, okay, probability of x, okay, एक चीज़ रहेगी, probability of banana given x equals to this value, okay, that is 400 multi 400 300 400 into 350 400 into, है ना, ये वैल्यू टोटल, इसको मल्टीप्लाई रहेगा, क्या है, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बनाना, ओके, दैट इज 400 बाय 1200. ओके, सो ये कैंसिल हो रहा है ना, दैट्स वाई आई आस्क यू टू पोस्टपोन द कैलकुलेशंस. ये 300 यहाँ पे 4 आ जाएंगे, राइट? ओके, सो इट हैज़ बिकम 350 इंटू दिस वन, ओके, 35 डिवाइड बाय 160. ओके, सो ओके, इसकी बैटरी चली गई. ओके, सो विल postpone this calculation also. Okay, so this is regarding banana. For orange it is directly 0, and here, okay, sorry, one thing is remaining, divide by p of x. ये भूल गए थे हम, right? Divide by p of x भी तो है, right? But we are not going to calculate that value, probability of p by x. ठीक है? So this is the probability of banana. Okay, then for other category, okay, so probability of x given other, okay, so can I directly write probability of LO given other into probability of sweet given other, probability of long given other. Okay, now how to read this? Out of all other, how many are LO? Okay, remember this line. Out of all total, how many are LO? So that is 50 divided by 150 into 150 इंटू 150. ओके, 150 में से कितने स्वीट है? 100. 150 में से कितने लॉन्ग है? 50. ओके, सो यहाँ पे थोड़ा क्रॉस आउट कर सकते हैं हम. ओके, यहाँ पे ये 3 आ जाएगा या 3 आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे 2 3. ओके, सो 2. ओके, 2 by 27. देन सिमिलरली प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ, हमें क्या चाहिए यहाँ पे? अदर, राइट? प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अदर. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अदर. ओके, कौन बताएगा इसकी वैल्यू? निखिल. निखिल.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. What is the probability of other?
So in what total?
See, I want this value, probability of other. अदर फ्रूट की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी है? Just now we have found out the probability of banana.
1 by 20.
1 by 20. How you have reached to this without any cross out? Just tell me the raw value.
So 150 by 1200.
Yes, exactly. Okay, thank you. So 150 divided by 1200. 1200 is total fruits of the drug.
Yes, sir.
ओके मॅम, माझं USB थेटरिंग सुरू आहे. USB थेटरिंग सुरू आहे. कॉलेजचं बंदच आहे. ओके, सो out of 1200 fruits, 150 are other, and that is the value. So probability of other class given x equals to probability of x. Okay, so we know that formula, right? Other into probability of other. Okay, probability of x, right? Okay, so the value of this is this one, 2 by, where is this? 2 by 27. 2 by 27 into probability of this, that is probability of x. Okay, now we have probability of orange given x, probability of banana given x, and probability of other given x, right? Now we have the probability of all the classes. Just compare their value and classify that sample. Okay, now we know that the value of this is 0. Okay, and as every term is having the same denominator, we can ignore that. Okay, so the value of this is going to be, okay, I have the calculations. Yes, so probability of orange given x, probability of banana given x, probability of other given x. Okay, so this is 0. It is 0.65 into 0.33, and here 0.07 into 0.1525, and I think this is the highest value. Yes, it is going to be highest value. So this given sample will be classified as the banana. Okay, and that we try to inform beforehand only, right? From the numbers itself we guess that the answer, it is going to be the banana. Okay, so any doubt? So this value is greater, this value is greater, as this is happening. Okay, यहाँ पे greater, ये banana का orange से greater है और other से भी greater है. Okay, given sample x will be classified as the banana. Okay, so any doubt now? We'll be solving 2 more problems based on this. Okay.